So guys, you've been seeing a lot of profit that I've been making, lot of profit. Don't forget, check the link in the description to join our Telegram group. We just switch our channel into Telegram, so we are using Telegram now. We'll be using Telegram, we'll also be using WhatsApp. If you want to message me on Telegram, just check the link in the description. You will join my Telegram group. You can message me as well. You can still message me on WhatsApp if you have any questions. Bring your account for account management, guys. Bring your account for account management. Let us flip your account. Let us make good profits for you guys. Let us make massive profit. Don't forget, we have an investment platform where you can invest your money and earn up to 100% daily. Okay, check the link in description. You will see how to join our platform. Just make sure you don't skip any part of this video, because it is very compulsory for you to stay to the end of the video, so that you're going to see how much you can make with us. Join my free signal group, guys. We do account management. Bring your accounts for us to trade. Join the signal group if you want to grow your account. You have a small account, you want to grow it, join the signal group. All these I'm showing you here are profit that we'll be making from individual accounts. These are profits we'll be hitting. So guys, bring your account. Let us make good money for you. Bring your account, guys. Bring your account. $500, 1,000, 10,000, 20, 50,000. We'll trade this for you. We'll make massive profit for you. Okay, like, subscribe, and comment. Stay tuned to the ending of the video. Don't skip. Thank you. So that is it, and watch how it goes. Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. This is trading with Derif. As you guys know, we're making a lot of profit from our investment platform and also from our trading. Okay, so give us a thumbs up where necessary, like in the comment section below. At the time of making this video, the video was the chart was in its uptrend. As you can see, currently I'm actually strolling, so I just decided to make a good video for you guys while strolling. So the background may be a little bit noisy, but nevertheless we are making some good money. So guys, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, message us, comment in the comment section below if it suits you, and if you have been making good use of my strategies for a while now, give us a thumbs up. So for you to go into an entry, you have to check the higher time frame. You check the 5 minutes, you switch over to 15 minutes, then you go over to the 30 minutes, and then you go over to the 1 hour. Now on the 1 hour, you have to check your entry point. You have to check what the market is actually doing as at the moment before you go in for your entry. So on the 5 minutes, it's showing us that it's doing the uptrend. So you just go in for an entry position. You go in for your entry position, and then you hold, because definitely it's going to go up. It's going to touch up. So don't forget, we do account management, VIP signals. We trade for profit, and we make a lot of money for ourselves. Okay, so which is very necessary for our upkeep. And if you want to invest with us, it's necessary for you, because you're going to make a lot of money with us. You're going to make a lot of money with us. You're not just going to start losing money. If you invest $500, you make higher, because we pay out on daily basis. In a bit, I'll be showing you guys how we pay out, but I just want to explain to you the main strategy and how it's being used. Okay, I'll show you guys the strategy and how we do use it ourselves. Okay, which is very helpful, and it's very important for your well-being. So if you have a small account, you want to grow it, no problem. You want to flip your small account, no problem. You message me in the comment section below, or you message me using my WhatsApp contact in the description below to message me. So let me show you guys the settings for this video before I go ahead.
For those of you that have been following, I've been using this envelope strategy for quite some time now. So let me quickly show you guys the relative strength in this. So we have it over there. Period is 10, apply to is close, style is 1 pixel, and levels, I have nothing on my levels over there. I have nothing on my levels. Okay, and the envelope, the period is 70, shift is 0, deviation is 0.900, method is simple, apply to is close, upper band is 4 pixels of blue and lower band is 4 pixels of red. Okay, so do it to screenshot, guys. It's very, very important. Do it to screenshot. And on the levels, I have nothing on my levels. So now on the moving average, we have the 10, shift is 0, method is exponential, apply to is close, style is 4 pixels of black, and I have nothing on my levels as well. Okay, so let me quickly show you guys the other part of the video where we make a lot of money. But before I do that, don't forget we do account management, VIP signals. You want to flip your small account into bigger account, and don't forget we have a free signal group where you'll be checking out our petition. You can also join the VIP. So let's go. So now, guys, we've been making a lot of money. This is our payment for today. For those who invested, you have $6,600 here. For those who invested on our platform, this is how we've been paying them, and we're making a lot of money. Okay, we're making a lot of money. We paid that $6,400 here. Okay, we paid that $35,000 here. Whoa, this is very wonderful. And this is on a daily basis where we do make this payment. It's on a daily basis since we've launched. Okay, because the bigger the equity, the bigger the profit. This $3,600 here, the bigger the equity, the bigger the profit. And we'll be making a lot of profit in a massive and cool way. We're making a lot of sweet profit. So guys, I don't know what you're waiting for. The link will be in the description below. We pay that $5,600 today. The link is in the description for you to message us to make money with us. The link is in the description below. So guys, don't forget, let us make this money together. Don't be greedy. The Easter just finished, so it will be of great use to you that you sent out the link to other persons to join. There are also referrals also. So there are also referrals. The more you refer, the more commission you earn. We pay that $30. Okay, pay that $30. It's not actually easy. We pay with BTC. We also pay with bank transfer for Nigeria. Now for Nigerians, we have a deposit method for Nigerians. For those outside the country, maybe Ghana and all that, there are M-Pesa. There are also other methods. There are flutter wave payments where you can use mobile money and all that on the dashboard there. Okay, so whatever suits you, you use it. If you want Bitcoin, USDT, anyone you want, the payment method is already set up. Okay, there, it's already set up there. And guys, follow the trend now that the market is trending very well. Follow the trend and make this money very massive. Okay, follow the trend, guys. Follow the trend, just like I said. Do it to for those of you that have been following us, do it to give us a thumbs up. Do it to subscribe to the channel. Share the video with your loved ones. You can't make all the money alone. And again, let me give you my advice. Don't trade in marketplaces. Don't trade in a place where your mind is not being settled. You just fought to somebody, you're going to trade. No, you're going to lose money. Trading is as if it works with your emotions. So don't trade when you are not comfortable, when you are not okay. Okay, so for any questions or you want to flip your account or anything, don't forget my WhatsApp contact will be in the description below for you to message me. Okay, I've shown you guys the settings for this particular video. Do it to screenshot it. Do it to make good use of it because it's very, very important for your well-being. Now, if you have a small account, like a $10 account, you scalp. You don't hold, okay? You scalp it and you keep on growing it as you're scalping it. You keep on growing it as you're scalping it. So these are the profits we've been making so far on our trade. These are the profit. This is $266 account, and this is a $155 account that we flip into 448. Okay, we're making massive profit. This is for good, for those who trade on good. Okay, this is on volatility. For those who trade on volatility, of making massive profit. You can see this. We made $2,562 in just a single trade. We made $3,300 in just a single trade. So we made $354 in just a single trade. So guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment in the comment section below.